Hi, my name's Ryan, and I found Dr. Pearl on Google actually because I was interested in another way to see if I could get some pain relief. I've had disc herniation issues in the past. I'm actually a chiropractor myself, and I've done a lot of conservative treatment that has helped me throughout the years. So it's been at least 10 years that I've been managing a problem. Someone who is an athlete like myself, I'm always pushing my body to the limits. So at a certain point, I got to a place where I wasn't recovering properly. My back was hurting constantly. And this went for about 6 months straight, no matter what kind of things I removed and did for myself. And so I decided to do a consult with Dr. Pearl, and she thought she could help me with a particular process called bone marrow concentrate injections. So I went ahead and did this, and it was the best thing that I had ever did for my back. I'm 42 years old at this point, and I do have a degenerative process in my back, and it was fantastic for that particular problem. It not only got me to a pain-free place, but someone who likes to push their body to the limits as far as my lifting in the sports that I like to participate in. It's allowed me to get to a place where I'm performing at a place where I feel confident, but also, my day-to-day things like getting up in the morning, putting my socks on, going to work, and I care for hundreds of people every week in a physical profession. So I highly recommend it for anyone who wants to give it a try.